Most people think a chair is just something you sit on. But after using this for a while, I realized that's actually not true. A good chair doesn't just sit there and you don't just sit on it. It actually supports you, holds you in place, and kind of works with your body the entire time you're using it. Recently, I've been testing the Welax S9 Pro. So in this video, you'll find out if it's actually worth buying. I'm gonna go over the build, the design, all the features, how it actually feels to use, and whether or not this is something you should upgrade to. Starting with the build and unboxing. Right away, something that stood out wasn't just that it was packaged nicely, it was how heavy everything felt. Every single part felt solid. Like when I was pulling pieces out of the box, I could already tell this wasn't one of those light and hollow, cheap chairs. The metal parts especially felt super sturdy, not just painted plastic pretending to be metal, but actually weighty material. Even the mesh right out of the box felt higher quality than what I expected. Now building took me about 40 to 45 minutes, and being honest, it was kind of hard to build by myself. You can do it, but having a second person will make it way easier. When I first sat in it, it actually felt kind of weird. And that sounds bad, but it's not. It felt weird because I'm used to chairs that just kind of sink. When I sat down, it kind of pushed back a little. It supported me instead of just letting me drop down into it. And at first that feels different, but after a little while you realize it's actually way better. It's like the chair is holding you up instead of you just sitting down on it. And compared to my old chair, the biggest immediate difference was the mesh. My old one would just sink and get soft over time, but this one actually keeps its structure. Now design wise, this thing looks really good. If someone walked into my room and saw it, they'd probably think this is a pretty expensive chair, and honestly it kinda gives off that vibe. The one I have is white and silver, and it just looks super clean in a setup. One of my favorite parts visually is the back spine of the chair. It's not like a typical cheap chair design. It has this more premium structured look to it that stands out immediately. But the biggest thing that I keep coming back to is the mesh. This is not normal mesh. Most mesh chairs feel kind of thin or flimsy. This feels like it's stretched tight, but still has a little give. It's breathable, but also supportive. It's firm, but not uncomfortable. It holds your shape instead of collapsing under you. And everything else, like the hinges, the adjustments, and even just rolling the chair around, feels really smooth and solid. Now, feature-wise, this chair does a lot. You can adjust height, toggle leaning, and even slide the seat forward or back depending on how you want to sit. There's also a locking system which I use a lot more than I expected. If I'm doing something focused like editing or working close to the screen, I'll lock everything in place so I stay upright. But if I'm just relaxing or gaming, I unlock it and let the chair move with me. And that's really the main idea of this chair. It adapts to you. The lumbar support moves with your body and it doesn't feel forced at all. You don't even really notice it moving. It just kind of naturally supports you as you shift. The armrests are also kind of insane. You can adjust them in pretty much every direction, and at first it almost feels like too much, but then you realize you can fine-tune them for literally any situation. Now this is the most important part. Comfort. After about an hour, I feel basically the same as when I first sat down. And that's not normal. With most chairs, especially cheaper ones, you start to feel it after a while. Your back, your posture, something starts getting uncomfortable. With this, I actually feel better over time. It naturally keeps your posture in check if you set it up right, and because you can move around so much, leaning, shifting, and adjusting, you don't get that stiff feeling. I actually find myself moving more when sitting, which keeps everything feeling looser. And the biggest support is definitely in the lower back with the lumbar system. Compared to my old chair, it's not even close. My old chair tried to do everything this one does, but just poorly. It tried to be comfortable, tried to look good, tried to be adjustable, but everything felt minimal. The biggest issues were heat and comfort. After sitting for a while, I started sweating, and it just felt like a chore to sit there. The S9 Pro fixes that instantly. The mesh keeps you cool, the support keeps you comfortable, and honestly, it makes you want to sit at your desk more. Before, I actually preferred standing or walking just to avoid sitting, but now I prefer sitting. For me, I use my setup mostly for work, editing, scripting, recording, and then some gaming here and there. This chair makes a big difference in how long I actually want to stay at my desk. It helps with focus when I lock everything in, and it helps with comfort when I just want to relax and lean back. It feels best when you're just chilling, watching something, playing a game, or just casually using your setup. Visually, this chair upgrades my setup a lot. Before, I wouldn't even include my chair in thumbnails or shots because it just didn't look good. Now it actually complements everything. It's not necessarily the centerpiece, but it draws in attention and looks clean, especially with the white and silver design. Now for the negatives. The biggest one is probably the armrests. They're super adjustable, but because of that, they sometimes move around when I don't want them to. And the footrest, like I mentioned, is useful, but not as sturdy as the rest of the chair. Other than that, it just took some time to get used to how smooth and responsive everything was, but once I did, it was awesome. So overall, who is this for? If you spend a lot of time at your desk, working, gaming, creating content, this is absolutely worth it. If your current chair already annoys you or you feel uncomfortable after sitting for a while, this is a huge upgrade. If you barely sit at your desk or don't use it much, this probably isn't for you yet. But if you do, this is a really solid, safe buy. Very few downsides, and the upside in comfort, posture, and overall experience is honestly huge. If you want to check it out, links are in the description. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in the next one.